Okay. Need to breathe. Okay, oh my god. Okay. BTOB has released their music video teaser! Okay. BTOB has released their music video teaser. And I just saw it on Tumblr. First the SNSD teaser yesterday, and now BTOB. Okay, so I love them. I don't need to go into explanation. Love them a lot. And I've been waiting, this is a comeback I've been waiting for since the beginning of the year. So, we're ready. We're ready to watch the teaser now. Okay. BTOB, beep beep. That's weird saying that. BTOB, beep beep, teaser. 25 seconds, teaser. Okay, ready? Ready, set. Oh my god, I don't know if I can do this. Okay. Ready, set, go. Oh my god. Swagger, Kenyo, Ilhun, Kwon, Hyunsu. They're just walking. Oh my god. Their cars are cute. Again. Oh, they look really good in street attire. Like racer attire, right? Ah, they all look so minion. I don't even know how I look right now. Probably like a curve. Their cars are really cute. Oh my god. That didn't give me anything. No, it was really good. Oh my god, it was really good. They look really good. They look really good. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh, okay. I like the whole racer concept that they're going with, and yeah, and they have a little bit of a song. Beep beep bang bang. I'm so stoked. I'm so SNSD, BTOB. Who's next? Bring them on. Also, I bought some stuff from the face shop recently, and I tried it on. So it was kind of the result of it. I have a beauty product review. I kind of look like a dork, but I'm no guru at all. I just like products like these, and I think I got mine like a shade lighter than I should have. Like it looks nice and smooth, but when I was putting it on, I was like, oh, I'm not this white. So I might have that video for beauty product review if I get the courage to. So yeah, that's my review, or my reaction. My reaction to BTOB's Beep Beep teaser. And I'm so excited to see their music video. I cannot wait. I was already freaking out already with that 25-second teaser. So alright guys, I will see you later, and take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.